Hello! Today we're going to look at how to make a kazoo from a toilet roll. You will need a grown-up to help you, very important, an empty toilet roll, some grease-proof paper, scissors, elastic bands, and optional things are pens, pencils, crayons, paints, or whatever else you might have with which you can decorate your kazoo. Step 1. This is optional. Decorate your empty toilet roll. Step 2. Ask your grown-up to cut a medium-sized square of grease-proof paper using the scissors. Step 3. Fold the grease-proof paper over one end of the toilet roll and secure it using an elastic band. Step 4. Time to make some noise. Hum or sing into the kazoo to make a sound. This week, have a listen to the professionals do it. We've sent out a link to the YouTube channel Much Kazoo About Nothing, where one man covers famous songs using lots of kazoos at once. Enjoy!